Thank you for choosing Jumper Fit Trampoline, and welcome to the 36 inches round trampoline assembly video. Before assembling your trampoline, make sure you have all the parts listed in the manual. We have provided all the tools for assembly. An elaborate manual for you to easily assemble your trampoline. Now let's begin with the assembly. Find a top tube with a T-joint and a top tube with a socket. Place the top tubes on the ground with the holes facing down. Insert the top tube with the T-joint into the top tube with a socket. Repeat this with the remaining top tubes until you have all assembled sections. Your trampoline base is now ready. Grab your springs. Place the trampoline net with the V-rings attached in the middle of the base. Now take your spring, attach it to the V-ring and insert the spring in the holes of your frame. Use your spring tool to easily attach the spring to the frame. Move in a clockwise direction and attach your springs to the frame. Make sure you have the east, west, north and south directions attached first so that you get your circle. And finally, our base is ready. Now attach the frame pad to the frame. Tie the frame pad tightly to the frame like a bow. Also tie the knot tightly with the V-ring. Our base is firm and all set for the perfect bounce. Bounce hard and check for the firmness and stability. Now remove the support from the base to attach the curved tubes to the straight tubes. Join both the curved tubes together. Take the screw and attach the nut and bolt tightly to the curved tube. Use your wrench and screw to tighten the nut. Add the end cap to the base of the trampoline. You'll finally have your trampoline completely ready. Congratulations on completing the assembly of your Jumper Fit trampoline.